What is going on, my beautiful, beautiful apes? So I was gonna just not record a video tonight, but what kind of a man would I be if I let you guys down and didn't record a video for, nap time. It's your bedtime story, so I'm here to do it for you guys. I know it's about 10 o'clock in my time zone. I don't know what time it is in your time zone. I know we got people watching from everywhere. Anyhow, we're going to get right into the point right after you smash that thumbs up button so the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. Now, this is going to be a short video. This is your bedtime story. And we're going to be talking about a guy named Adam Aron. Yes, he's the CEO of AMC. And we're also going to be talking about Jim Cramer. Now, apparently, Adam Aron sent out an apology to Jim Cramer and some other douchebag today. It was actually a tweet on Twitter, and it was a very sad story that Adam Aron had to apologize to Jim Cramer. But what was this apology about? Some of you may not be following Adam Aron on Twitter, so you have no freaking idea as to what in the hell I'm talking about, but I follow him on Twitter, fortunately, so I know what's going on here. You see, he had to apologize to Jim Cramer because he had to cancel an interview that he had with Jim Cramer that was supposed to be taking place today. Now, what in the hell was this interview going to be all about? Who knows? Actually, I do know. All right, and I'm going to give you a fully detailed video tomorrow on this, I promise, but I promise to keep this short. So let me just speculate a little bit in this video just to tell you guys, a little bit about it. And then tomorrow you get the rest of the treat, the surprise that you guys deserve for following this channel. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so because I drop content just like this every single day. Yeah, I had to say that. So Adam Aron, he told Jim Cramer and this other douchebag in a tweet. Wow, he addressed two douchebags. He says, listen, guys, I apologize for not being able to join you for this interview. And I know some of you shills are going to be like, well, it's because Jim Cramer was going to put him on blast and blah, 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 blah. No, I don't think that's what happened. You see, today, and if you watched my previous two videos from today, we talked about this company that AMC now has a 22% stake in. Yeah. It's a silver and gold mining company, whatever. And I guess that's what Adam Aron was going to be talking to Jim Cramer about today. Unfortunately, he told Jim Cramer to kiss his ass. Now, why would he do that? I think I'm going to speculate a little bit here by saying that, Jim Cramer is a backstabber. One moment, he's sitting there trying to kiss the apes' asses and acting like he's supporting the movement. I think he just wants attention. I think he's maybe lonely. Maybe his wife is about to leave him. Who knows? And the next minute, he's like, screw the apes. Don't mess with my family. Because, yeah, some apes, it wasn't me. I don't know if it was you. Let me know in the comments below if it was you. Threatened Jim Cramer's family before. In the past, I've seen the tweet when he actually tweeted that out and was whining about it. If that happened to me, I'm protected by my Second Amendment rights, so I have no problem defending my family. But Jim Cramer, apparently, I think he may be a felon, because I know that he participated in some questionable trading activities back in the day, and we can look at those videos that are on YouTube that were, playing pretty much on every YouTuber's channel that's covering AMC a little while ago, probably 6-7 months ago, where Jim Cramer was describing how his hedge fund was playing the system. I'm ashamed of that bastard. But I know he has no shame. And, one of his buddies did get busted for, being with prostitutes and all this other crap. And he came on the air whining, saying, well, what if you had a friend that got in trouble? You know what, Jim Cramer, what I have to say to you is I'm surprised you're not in prison yet, you little bastard. I'm surprised that you're still on CNBC and that you're allowed to do what you're doing, which is lying to people. Because every time that he tells us something, every time that Jim Cramer says anything, the opposite happens. Kind of like the time when he said, buy Netflix before earnings. And then what happened? Netflix, I apologize, freaking tanked. That's because Jim Cramer is full of shit. He's a puppet. He's controlled by the other side. He is your dark passenger. And if you follow Jim Cramer, well, you deserve to burn in hell. I apologize for my language in this video. I have kids too, y'all. Warning, if you're watching my videos while your kids are in the room, maybe you should put them in the closet or something. You know, this is a night video. I'm recording this at nighttime. So if you were good parents, your kids would already be in bed. It is a school night, so don't blame me because you're a shitty parent. Anyhow, thanks guys, that's all I had to say, but tomorrow you're going to get a lot of details as to what in the hell was going on. I just wanted to kind of, get in here, tell you guys that Adam Aaron apologized to Jim Cramer, and yeah, he turned him down for an interview, which is pretty freaking funny to me, but I will see you guys in the next video.